Savuti's now finished. We're just leaving now. We are on our way to Kwai. We're staying in a lodge for the last couple of nights. About a 3-week trip, which has been good. We spent all day yesterday looking for leopard, because we had one sighting and one in camp. Anyway, we spent like 3-4 hours looking, couldn't find one. Lee managed to find the odd wolf, which was amazing, and then we decided to go and look for lions. We knew they were in an area, and we ended up with the best leopard sighting right next to the car. Absolutely beautiful little girl, she was amazing. So yeah, good way to end off the camping. And now we are heading off to Maribyrnong for a coffee, and then on to the lodge.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
We made it to O Bona Lodge from Savuti. On the way out we saw a nice big male lion, big herd of buffalo, but now it's time to chill. We've got beds, we've got pillows, beautiful tent. Bathroom, mirrors, and a shower. Really nice. What the fuck is what? In your face. Waiting patiently for the elephants to come through. Can hear them in the background. crunching trees and breaking stuff. I'm hoping that they just come through, sitting on the deck, just waiting for them to come. Waiting for the elephant. They are literally 30-40 meters in front of us. Just can't see them yet. It's crazy, you can hear them. And you can see the trees moving. There's a little baby. Can't really see them clearly. Gotta look through the bushes. They're literally 30 meters away and you can't even see them. And we're sitting on our deck, waiting for them to come out. You can see slight movement. There are multiple elephants.
There's just something saying there's something there. And Lal was filming, and that's why we ended up going past it, because like I was umming and eyeing whether to actually stop or not. And then I said, I'm sorry, I have to interrupt you. I have to look at this rock. I said, I know it's going to be a rock, but let me look. And then I looked at it for a while, because it still didn't move. And I was like, I don't know. I stuck its head up. I'm like, it's a funny looking jackal. And then I said to Lal, he walked out, I don't know what he was doing. I was like, please come look at this, because it doesn't look like a normal jackal. Something's wrong with it. And then it stood up, and then I freaked out. Then I said, oh my God, it's got straps on it. It's not, it's an outfall.
I sent a picture to my dad today, and I said, Dad, this is the first lion that I've spotted that Lee and Lyle didn't spot before me.
And he was a beauty.
He was a beauty, that guy, hey?
He was a gorgeous, he had a beautiful mane, eh?
Could you imagine though if the radios hadn't worked?
Oh.
I would have floored it and
come up
flashed the lights or beat the horn or whatever.
Yeah.
But it's like, yeah, Dad,
Fortunately.
this is the first lion I've spotted they didn't spot before us.
Is he packing up before we head back to the UK? Dun, dun, dun. That's the mess.